What's up, guys? Another episode. So we managed to get a pair of salvage apes. Well, I guess not really apes. They're stock height-ish, but they're got a different pitch. They're black. They're not chrome, which is whatever. They'll get us certified until we can, or so we can get a registration back on the bike and get the salvage title off of it. But yeah, so I'll show you what I've done this week. It's just so far it's just been bars, but you guys, how pounded these are. So this one's a new one, and this is an old one. So as you can see, squish, squish, and that's my weak hand. So this one here is a brand new one, and this is my strong hand. Same amount of pressure. Eesh, nothing.
What? Ay, you being silly.
Got half the controls back on. So we got the black salvage apes on. They're from a, not sure, 90s Dyna. Someone had them. I got them for 50 bucks. They're black, they're not chrome, but they're the same height as my stock bars. Different pitch though. They've got different handle pitch. My old ones are meant to be pulled back. So those ones pitch up, as you can see, and those ones will pitch down. So the pitch is different, and instead of being in line with the forks to be in a nice riding comfortable position, I can put these ones nice and fucking dirty level, straight pushed forward, which looks pretty gnarly. I like that look a lot. And the bars sit in a really nice spot, little mini apes. Some single control on, black bars. Alright, that's it for this week. As I was saying, the black salvage ape looks alright. I'm going to need to get a brake line extension for the front brake because it's not going to fit with the different pitch, and I got the bars pushed forward. Not a big deal, but something we're going to have to deal with. So, yeah, stay tuned and come back next week. Later, guys.